Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I am back with an update to a 3 off 15 deal that I posted this morning. We have a run deal or a run glitch. Y'all definitely need to get in on this before the shelves get cleared. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. Also, while you're at it, please hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out, and leave me a comment down below, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, now just in case y'all missed it, I did upload a video a couple of hours ago going over some 3 off 15 deals that y'all can do any day of the week, stacking instant savings with coupons plus that 3 off 15. That turns out to be some really awesome deals. Also in that video, I am sharing some exclusive Dollar General coupon links, and all that information and all the links are in that video. Plus, also in that video are some more glitches that y'all can do with this 3 off 15 coupon this week. So definitely go and check it out because it is jam-packed full of information. Alright guys, so as I told you all in the video earlier today, we have an awesome sale on General Mills cereal this week. They are on sale 3 for $6, which is a great price. But we also have a ton of digital coupons that will go right along with that deal. Now, the values of the coupons that we can use with this deal may vary from account to account, so just check your accounts and see what you have available. Here's an example of one of my accounts. I have a 150 off of 2, a 1 off 2, and another 1 off 2, but on another account, I have a 75-cent off 1, a 1 off 1, and a 150 off of 3. So just check your accounts, make sure you have those General Mills cereal coupons clipped to your account. Alright guys, now here's a deal that I showed you all this morning, and this is a pickup order only deal, alright? So if you go into the DG app and pick up a total of 6 boxes of General Mills cereals, all the same kind, you are going to end up paying $5.50 or around $5.50 depending on which manufacturer coupons you have on your account for 6 boxes, which is a great deal. That turns out to be 91 cents each. So you're getting the sale, plus you're getting that 3 off 15 coupon coming off, plus all of your manufacturer coupons as well. So again, depending on which manufacturer coupons that you have on your account, it may vary a little bit one way or another. Alright guys, now for this next deal, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Cassie for trying out this deal for us last night at self-checkout. So if you want to do this deal at self-checkout, remember that the 3 off 15 coupon is reusable at self-checkout. It will apply to your order, but it will still stay on your account. So if you want to go into the store and pick up 6 General Mills cereals, you're going to use that 3 off 15 DG store coupon and all of the manufacturer coupons that you have on your account, plus that 501 P&G coupon. You're going to pay $4.50 for all 6 boxes, making each one just 75 cents each. Plus, you get to keep that 3 off 15 coupon on your account. Alright guys, now here is the updated glitch. Again, this one is a pickup order only. I have not tried this at self-checkout. I may go into the store later on today and try it out and see what happens. And if any of you guys try it out at self-checkout, please come back and let us know how it turns out. You can either leave it in the comments or you can send an email to crazycoupons1@gmail.com. Alright guys, so here's the deal, and again, this is pickup order only. So once I posted that video this morning, I was going to put in my pickup order to do this cereal deal, and I was kind of mixing and matching to get the cereals that we will eat in my household, because who wants a bunch of cereal that they're not going to eat, right? So I put in 2 boxes of the General Mills Honey Nut Cheerios. Those are priced at $3.95 each, and then I put in 3 boxes of the Lucky Charms. Those are also $3.95 each. Now there are 2 different sales going on right now. One is the 3 for $6, and there's another one, 2 boxes for $5. So you guys put in a total of 5 boxes of the General Mills cereals. That's going to put your subtotal at $18.25. And again, these boxes of cereal were regularly priced at $3.95 each. So you guys can mix and match however you would like to do that. So your original subtotal is going to be $18.25, almost $20 worth of cereal that we're getting, guys. So $18.25, then it's going to take off those sales that are going on this week. So we have one sale that is 3 boxes for $6, and then we have another sale that is 2 boxes for $5. It's going to take off both of those sale prices. Then it's going to take off that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, plus any manufacturer coupons that you have clipped to your account. So if you have the exact same coupons that I just showed you all a few minutes ago. If you have the 150 off 2, the 1 off 2, and another 1 off 2, you are going to pay $2.20 for all 5 boxes, making each one just 44 cents each. Alright, so there you go, guys. I hope y'all can get in on this deal, and I hope your stores are stocked. You guys get out there, grab up this deal before those shelves are cleared, because this is a definite run deal / run glitch, whatever you want to call it, but it's happening. $2.20 for 5 boxes of cereal. You are not going to beat that. Now, if you guys do any of these deals with the General Mills cereals this week, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards Rebate app. Now, if you do it in-store at self-checkout, you will have a physical receipt to scan into the Fetch Rewards app. But if you do an online pickup order, Fetch Rewards also accepts e-receipts. So you can link your DG account to your Fetch Rewards, and it will automatically give you points back on the products that you purchased. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you're waiting on, because this is the easiest rebate app out there. And if you sign up for Fetch Rewards right now before you do this pickup order, your deal is going to get even sweeter, because you can use my referral code, which is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And when you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points. So sign up for Fetch Rewards, use my referral code, link your DG account to your Fetch Rewards account. You're going to get 2,000 points back, which is $2. And that's going to make that pickup order just 20 cents for 5 boxes of cereal. So definitely don't forget about Fetch Rewards, guys. Now, one more thing before you all go. If you missed the video that I uploaded earlier today, you do not want to miss watching that. So make sure that you go back and check out that video. I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below, because in that video, I'm giving you guys all kinds of new exclusive DG coupons that you guys can add on to your accounts. Plus, there's 3 off 15 daily deals in there and more glitches. So definitely go back and watch that video if you have not already. Now, also, while you're at it, if you missed the Sunday video where I go over all of the new Dollar General digital coupons, we go over all the coupons, all the matchups, all of the deals, so it is definitely a must watch. So if you missed that video, I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below for you as well. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys can get out there and grab up this deal before it's gone. And if you do, please come back and let me know down in the comments section how it all worked out for you. Now, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that your notifications are turned on so that you don't miss out on any deals. Also, please hit that thumbs up button for me, because it's a free way that you can help support the channel. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how y'all are doing today, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.